Secrets are hidden in plain sight, only visible to those who dare to look. Welcome, seekers of truth, to a journey into the shadows where power and mystery intertwine. Today, we unveil the secrets of the most enigmatic society in history, the Illuminati. Imagine a world where a select few hold the keys to knowledge and power. A world where every decision, every event, is orchestrated from the shadows. What if I told you this isn't just a fantasy? Today, we dive deep into the clandestine realm of the Illuminati. So, whether you're a skeptic or a believer, buckle up as we decode the past and unravel the secrets of the Illuminati. In the heart of Bavaria, amidst the shadows of 18th century Germany, a new dawn was breaking. It was the year 1776, a time when the Enlightenment was challenging old ways, and one man, Adam Weishaupt, was determined to push the boundaries even further. Born into a world dominated by church and monarchy, Weishaupt, a professor of canon law, envisioned a society governed by reason, knowledge, and equality. He believed that enlightenment could only be achieved by shattering the chains of ignorance and superstition that held humanity captive. With a handful of trusted allies, he founded the Bavarian Illuminati on 1st May 1776. The Illuminati was no ordinary secret society. It was structured with the precision of a clockwork mechanism, each member carefully selected and sworn to secrecy. They adopted the symbol of the owl of Minerva, embodying wisdom, and chose the motto Novus Ordo Seclorum, a new order of the ages. Meeting under the cover of darkness in hidden chambers, they devised a plan to infiltrate the highest echelons of society. Their mission was clear: to influence political and social institutions from within, to spread the principles of the Enlightenment, and to challenge the status quo. Whispers of their existence began to spread like wildfire as the Illuminati's influence grew. They positioned themselves within the courts of Europe, subtly steering the currents of change. They supported revolutionary ideas, fomenting the seeds of rebellion against oppressive regimes. Their hands were unseen, but their impact was palpable. As the Illuminati's power expanded, so did the legends that surrounded them. Rumors of dark rituals, hidden agendas, and global domination swirled in the public imagination. Though the Bavarian government eventually discovered their existence and sought to dismantle them, the myth of the Illuminati only grew stronger. Centuries later, the Illuminati remains one of the most enigmatic and controversial secret societies in history. Their influence on the Enlightenment, their vision of a world governed by reason, and their mysterious legacy continue to capture the fascination of scholars, conspiracy theorists, and the curious alike. The Illuminati, founded by Adam Weishaupt in 1776, drew some of the most brilliant minds of its time into its fold. But who were these enigmatic individuals? Adam Weishaupt, the creator of the Illuminati, envisioned a society driven by reason and enlightenment. However, his revolutionary ideas led to his banishment from Bavaria soon after the society's founding. Among the illustrious members were literary giants Johann Wolfgang von Goethe and Johann Gottfried von Herder, whose works continue to inspire generations. Their involvement added intellectual gravitas to the society. Johann Bode, a renowned astronomer, brought his scientific expertise to the group, while Friedrich Nicolai, a writer and bookseller, and Friedrich Jacobi, a philosopher, enriched the Illuminati's intellectual discourse. Friedrich Leopold, Graf zu Stolberg, a poet of remarkable talent, also joined their ranks. Together, these members shared a vision of a world illuminated by knowledge and reason. It's fascinating to see how this secret society managed to bring together such diverse and influential figures, each contributing their unique strengths to the Illuminati's mission. To understand the true power of the Illuminati, we must explore their acts and influence throughout history. Their reach was far and wide, touching every corner of society. The Illuminati, though shrouded in secrecy, are often credited with influencing key historical events. From the French Revolution to the spread of Enlightenment ideals across Europe, their fingerprints are everywhere. Some historians believe that the Illuminati played a crucial role in the French Revolution. Their ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity resonated with the revolutionaries, fueling the fight against tyranny and oppression. The Illuminati sought to infiltrate and influence political structures from within. By placing members in key positions, they aimed to steer the course of history towards their vision of a more enlightened society. Their connections with other secret societies, such as the Freemasons, allowed them to expand their network and strengthen their influence. Together, they shared knowledge and resources, working towards a common goal of enlightenment. Economically, the Illuminati's influence was subtle but profound. They supported the rise of a capitalist economy, believing that economic freedom was essential for personal and societal growth. In modern times, the Illuminati are often the subject of conspiracy theories, accused of manipulating global events for their own gain. While many of these claims are exaggerated, the intrigue surrounding their influence endures. To truly understand the Illuminati, we must delve into their views and philosophy. At their core, they were driven by a desire for enlightenment and the betterment of society. The Illuminati's views were shaped by the Enlightenment, a period that emphasized reason, science, and individualism. They believed that knowledge was the key to progress and sought to free humanity from the shackles of ignorance and superstition. Central to their philosophy was the pursuit of knowledge and science. They championed education, critical thinking, and intellectual curiosity, believing that a well-informed society was essential for progress. They rejected superstition and the control exerted by religious institutions. Instead, they promoted a secular worldview, where reason and evidence were the guiding principles. Their ultimate vision was a new world order, where equality, justice, and rationality prevailed. They dreamed of a society free from oppression and governed by enlightened principles. Their views and philosophy significantly impacted Enlightenment thinkers and revolutionary movements. Their ideas resonated with those who sought to challenge the status quo and create a better world. Today, the legacy of the Illuminati's philosophy lives on in the continued pursuit of knowledge, the fight for equality, and the ongoing quest for a more just and enlightened society. The Illuminati has transcended time, becoming a staple in modern pop culture and media. From blockbuster movies to chart-topping songs, their shadowy presence is everywhere. From Dan Brown's bestsellers to Jay-Z's lyrics, the Illuminati is a hot topic, intriguing and unsettling in equal measure. But how did this secret society become a pop culture phenomenon? The answer lies in our fascination with power and mystery. The more secretive they seem, the more we want to know. Because nothing says exclusive like a secret club that everyone talks about. Conspiracy theories abound, from the Illuminati orchestrating a new world order to controlling global events from the shadows. Some believe they pull the strings behind every major occurrence, from elections to financial crisis. As George Orwell once said, in a time of deceit, telling the truth is a revolutionary act. But let's separate fact from fiction. The Illuminati's real influence pales compared to the legends. Much of what we hear is sensationalized or outright fabricated. Remember, just because it's on the internet doesn't mean it's true. Beyond the myths and legends, the Illuminati's true contributions lie in their ideas and influence during a transformative era. Their ideas fueled the Enlightenment, advocating for reason, science, and individual rights. They inspired revolutionary movements, challenging oppressive regimes and sparking the quest for liberty. Their emphasis on education and knowledge led to advancements in science and philosophy. They believed that an informed society could achieve progress and enlightenment. the legacy of the Illuminati endures, not just in conspiracy theories but in the continued pursuit of knowledge and the fight for equality and justice. Their story fascinates us because it touches on our deepest fears and aspirations. In a way, the Illuminati's greatest power isn't control, it's their ability to captivate our imaginations. As we wrap up our journey into the world of the Illuminati, let's recap the key points. From their clandestine beginnings to their influence on historical events, from the myths that surround them to their lasting impact on education and philosophy, the Illuminati story is one of intrigue and enlightenment. The allure of secret societies lies in their mystery and the power they wield from the shadows. They remind us of the unseen forces shaping our world and our relentless quest for knowledge. So, keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember, the truth is often stranger than fiction. Stay curious, and who knows what other secrets you'll uncover. The world of secret societies is vast and complex, filled with intrigue and unanswered questions. As we ponder their influence on our past and present, remember, the truth is out there, waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.